everyone! Welcome back to Party of Six Travel, where we help families make the most of their adventures without breaking the bank. Today we are giving you our honest review of the SpringHill Suites Orlando Lake Buena Vista at Marriott Village, and whether it's a good option for larger families looking to save money on a Disney World vacation. Spoiler alert, this one didn't quite live up to the hype. Let's dive in! This hotel is part of the Marriott Village, which features SpringHill Suites, Courtyard, and Fairfield Inn & Suites. Staying at any of these properties includes access to shared amenities like a gift shop, arcade, cafeteria-style restaurant, Starbucks coffee, and a few fun, kid-friendly areas. It is also a good neighbor hotel, which means it comes with some Disney perks, but early park entry is not one of them. Let's start with the rooms. We chose SpringHill Suites over other Marriott Village properties for the price and larger room capacities. The room was a bit dated, and we noted quite a few signs of wear and tear. This room technically sleeps up to 6, but if you're a family of 6 like us, be prepared, these rooms are tight. The room includes 2 reasonably comfortable double beds and a pull-out sofa bed, but once that bed is out, there's basically no walking space. We made it work, but it was far from comfortable. It felt more like a room meant for 4 being stretched to accommodate 6. The bathroom is pretty standard and features all the amenities you might expect at this price point. The kitchenette is a feature we always appreciate, but this one was very small. It came with a microwave, mini fridge, and coffee maker. There's also this small desk area that doubled as a food storage area during our stay, given the minimal available counter space. One aspect we evaluate that we think is important for all big families is the outlet situation. This room felt dated in a number of ways, and that included the number of available outlets for charging our devices. There were just 2 USB ports on the phone and no wall outlets anywhere near the bed. Standard outlets were limited to the one at the desk and the one behind the coffee maker. Pro tip, bring your own power bank if you plan on staying here. To give you an idea of how cramped the space is, take a look at what happens when the pull-out bed is extended. The room is basically cut in half, and we got tired of trying to squeeze through this narrow gap over and over again. This made the whole room feel small, and the design poorly thought out. Next up, service, and unfortunately this was a major letdown. We tried to make requests through the Marriott app, but no one responded. We also called the front desk multiple times and got no answer. This was a busy week for a Disney trip. Although the hotel didn't seem overwhelmingly busy, it felt like we were on our own here, which isn't what you want when traveling with a big family. But now for the positives. The hotel does have a few great features. First, breakfast is included, and while it's not fine dining, this was a solid free breakfast. The food was fresh and hot, and there was plenty of seating despite the number of people trying to grab food before rushing off to the parks. Next is the pool. The pool is large and features a 0 entry, which is a nice touch for families with younger kids. There was a decent-sized hot tub that was actually hot, and this fun splash pad for toddlers. We also liked that there was plenty of seating and both shady and sunny offerings. The shared amenities were also really nice. We didn't spend any time at the restaurant, but there is Starbucks coffee, a very well-stocked gift shop, and an arcade with some really great games. The small playground was a hit with our little ones, who spent a good hour there. These definitely gave the kids something to do outside the parks. But when it comes to the location and convenience, this hotel falls behind. The shuttle service is convenient, but limited compared to other nearby good neighbor hotels. If you do stay here and like to maximize your time at the parks, we recommend you rent a car or plan to Uber to and from the parks. And while you're close-ish to Disney, there are other hotels in this price range that are either closer to the parks or offer more flexible transportation options. Let's talk about the value. Without a doubt, this is a budget-friendly hotel. We paid $179 per night for a room, and that was at the height of spring break rush. Finding a room on property is easily going to set you back more for that, especially if, like us, you need a room that accommodates a larger family. And of course, having the benefit of an included breakfast obviously helps you save even more. But here's the bottom line. While SpringHill Suites might look like the best bang for your buck, once you factor in the cramped space and lack of service, it just doesn't offer the value you'd expect. For just a few more dollars, other good neighbor hotels in the same price point offer bigger rooms or suites, better shuttle options, and more convenient access to Disney Springs and the parks. If you'd like to hear about our favorite option, here is the link to our full review. So, would we stay here again? Honestly, probably not. If you're a family of 5 or 6 trying to save money on your Disney trip, this hotel might check a few boxes, but we think your money is better spent elsewhere. Let us know in the comments if you've stayed here and had a different experience. We would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on our next honest hotel review. Thanks for watching Party of 6 Travel. Safe travels. We'll see you real soon.